Italy and Austria are advancing secure communications through Mediterranean quantum connectivity, a European-funded project led by the Consiglio Nazionale delle Ricerche and the Friuli Venezia Giulia region under the EU's Quantum Communication Infrastructure Initiative.
So this initiative is part of a larger European initiative, the European Quantum Communication Infrastructure, that strives to create an entire continental infrastructure based on fibers and satellites to communicate safely using quantum mechanics. In particular, this QCIMED, Mediterranean Quantum Connectivity, involves Italy and Austria, and we are trying to establish an infrastructure that will remain over the next 15 years, possibly, or at least 10, between Italy and Austria for the exchange of keys, cryptographic keys, the so-called quantum key distribution, and then we will also test possible communications based on satellites and submarine cables.